Hello everyone, and welcome to the Shon of All Trades channel. As promised, this video will explain a restore point, how to create one, and how to use it. First, explore what a restore point means, why it is used, and when you might need it. A restore point creates a snapshot of your system at a specific time, capturing the status of Windows, system settings, installed programs, updates, and more. This feature lets you return your computer to its state when the restore point is created. It is beneficial in case of a system crash. Think of it as an undo command. It's important to note that using a restore point does not affect your personal files or data. It primarily targets system-related changes. So, when and how should you use a restore point? For instance, if you are installing or uninstalling software or an update and you encounter performance issues afterward, such as slow speed, errors, conflicts with other programs, or incomplete installations, a restore point can help. Also, suppose your system cannot return to normal after these problems and Windows becomes corrupted. In that case, a restore point can still be employed. However, it needs to be accessed from outside of Windows. For detailed instructions, please check out my Blue Screen Part 2 video, available on my channel and linked in the description. Let's now discuss how to activate and create a restore point. Remember, your computer should function well and have no issue, as any problems will also be saved in the restore point. Type restore point into the Windows search box and select it. Ensure the protection mode is turned on. If it's not, click on the configure button, enable the protection system, apply the changes, and return to the previous page. Keep in mind that a restore point can only be created for drives with protection in on mode. Click the create button. To manage your restore point more quickly, name it something descriptive, like before installing Photoshop. Then click Create and allow Windows to complete the process. Now, how do you utilize a restore point? Open the System Restore tool again, but select Restore System. Click Next, and you'll see a list of all the restore points you've created. Choose one from the list and click Next to continue. You can also use the Scan for Affected Programs option to see which programs will be removed or added after the restoration. When ready, click Finish to restore your system. Also, remember that there's another method for using a restore point if Windows fails or you encounter a blue or black screen. My channel's Blue Screen Part 2 video thoroughly explains this method. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment or email. I'll do my best to help you out. Have a great day, and goodbye.